Good day. In the earlier lesson, we learned how we can agree the verb with its compound subject. In this simple lesson, we're going to learn how we can agree the verb with its indefinite pronoun as its subject. So, a simple rule in this lesson is that we need to agree and make sure that the verb agrees with its subject as an indefinite pronoun. Now, quick revision on indefinite pronouns. There are indefinite pronouns that are always singular, some that are always plural, and some that are sometimes singular, sometimes plural. The ones that are always singular, they are anybody, anyone, each, either, everybody, everyone, neither, or, one, no one, somebody, or someone. The ones that are always plural are both, few, many, and several. The ones that are always singular, or sometimes plural, are all, any, most, none, or some. The last one, which is sometimes singular or plural, is very problematic because you have to look at the object or preposition which follows that indefinite pronoun. Now let's look at some of the examples. In the first sentence, one of the students was asked to be a member of the archaeology club. Now if you look at the verb, which is was asked, the subject of was asked is one. Now one is always singular, therefore the verb is always singular. It doesn't matter if we have a plural object or preposition or not. In the other example, a few of my friends are going to the lecture tomorrow night. The verb is are going. Its subject is few, which is always plural, therefore are going is plural. In the last two examples, however, in the example of some, which is sometimes singular, sometimes plural, it's very essential that we look at the object of preposition that follows the indefinite pronoun. So, some of the water was spilled. If you look at was, in the sentence is singular, and the subject of was spilled is some. Now, in this case, it's singular because water, which is the object of preposition, is singular. So here we're referring some of the water was spilled. Water is singular, therefore some is singular. Therefore, we have to use was instead of were. Let's look at the other example. Some of the pyramids was looted, right? So that's the verb was looted. And that's the subject was, okay? And we know some is sometimes singular, sometimes plural, depending on the object of preposition. But here the object preposition is plural, therefore the verb is wrong, and it should be were. Two more examples to clarify our point in terms of indefinite pronouns that are sometimes singular, sometimes plural. Most of the ramshackle wall next to my house is adorned with street graffitis. Now the verb of the sentence is adorned, and the subject is most. But most refers to wall, because wall is the object of preposition that follows the subject. Therefore, we have to use a singular verb. The other example, most of the visitors to the only museum in J-Town were not aware of its existence only 1 month ago. Again, where is the verb? It's in plural form. Most is a subject. But then again here, visitors is plural. Therefore, the subject is plural. Therefore, we have to use a plural verb.